Hey Choc Nation, it's your girl Choc and I am back with another vloggy vlog. And in this vlog we are going to do a desk reset at my office with some cool stuff I got from Temu. And then I brought back a fan favorite on the nails. And then I'm going to show you guys why you should never underestimate a girl and her glue gun. So let's get into it. But before we get into anything, we got to make us some coffee first because I need my boost for the day. I got this new electric mixing cup from Temu and I have been dying to try it. I've been seeing it all over TikTok. I've seen it on Instagram and I just had to get one. So this is part one of cool shit I found on Temu. Y'all know I am always on Temu. Temu is one of my favorite apps. They have absolutely everything and everything is always for the low. They have fast and free shipping and you can get free returns as well. I believe up to 90 days. And if you use my referral code, which is FAVE23582, you'll get an exclusive discount on your first purchase for new users. So don't forget to check the description box to click the link and download the Temu app, and you'll find all the Temu items from this video linked in the description as well. Now let's get into this cup. So let's make some coffee and test it out. Now I was at work, so I decided to make some coffee, but you can also use this cup to mix powders and liquids together of different types. Like if you wanted to mix some hot cocoa, or if you had a flavored drink packet and you want to mix it with water. You can also mix your instant coffee with your hot water, or even blend you a protein shake. So I just made my coffee and I poured some creamer in, and then we're going to place the top on, push that button, and it's going to start mixing up by itself. And once it's done mixing to your liking, all you got to do is take the top off, pull off that mixer, rinse it in some water, and then there's a compartment on the handle of the cup for you to store the mixer in. So how convenient is that? And you ain't even got to use your hand to mix up your own drink. Y'all better get y'all one of these. So today is Saturday, March 16th, and we are at work right now. We're trying to get our coin. Because one thing about it, two things for sure, Choc gonna get her coin, whether it's on a Saturday, a Sunday, or during the week. She got to get them coins. Y'all see my baby in the background? I got a little girl to take care of, so mama gonna get them coins. Say what up, Choc Nation?
What up, Choc Nation?
So I want to share some stuff with y'all that I have been purchasing. I have been doing a lot of intentional shopping because I want to start buying things that are going to help me and help my life and make my life easier, or just like cool stuff that I've been wanting to buy and I just haven't. We looking a little hot mess today, but y'all already know in this vlog we finna turn it around. We're gonna do our nails, we're gonna do something to this head. And also, speaking of intentional shopping, I did do some intentional shopping with Temu, so shout out to Temu for sponsoring the video. So my co-workers actually inspired this section of the video, and let me show y'all why. Look at my co-worker Jill's keyboard. Ooh, I want a cute keyboard too. And this is my co-worker Tracy's keyboard. Hers is pink, but I was like, ooh, I'm finna get me some cute desk stuff. So with that being said, let me show y'all what I got from Temu. So this is my desk before. Everything black, no color, no life to it, just boring and very low vibrational. This is my keyboard before, and this is the keyboard that I got from Temu. I love pink, so I got pink and white, and then it also has a light setting on it, so it does light up in 3 different colors, and you can turn the light on or turn it off. And look how it just brightened up my desk that quick already. But we are not done yet. I also got a mouse pad. My desk didn't even have a mouse pad. I ended up throwing the old one in the trash a long time ago, and I just never got a new one. So this one says, it's fine, I'm fine, everything is fine. Which is literally how I'll be feeling at work. When everything is going wrong, I'll be like, you know what, everything gonna be all right. And it be a complete show, but we gotta stay motivated and keep going, right? So that's why I picked out that mouse pad. But check out the mouse upgrade though. So how cute is this little pink sports car that is a mouse, and it is wireless. You just plug the little USB part into your computer and it will connect on its own and you good to go. Definitely an upgrade compared to my just regular black office mouse. We gotta be fabulous because I have a very light, cute, you know, warm energy, so I'm gonna need my workspace to match my energy. And I feel like when your work area is cute, it makes you want to actually be there. Because I mean, of course, if we all had it our way, we would be at home, but since we gotta be there for 8 hours a day, might as well make it look cute and make you feel good while you're there. So that is my black tape dispenser and stapler. And this is the upgrade that I upgraded to, which is a really cute blinged out pink stapler, and it did come with staples. And then I got a really cute pink tape dispenser, and it came with 1 roll of tapes. And just like that, we got a whole new desk set up, a computer keyboard, mouse, a mouse pad, a tape dispenser, and a stapler, all for $31. I'm definitely tapping into the other side of Temu. I know I always buy nails and beauty things from them, but I'm also tapping into the electronics and appliances. So y'all will be seeing more of the cool shit that I found on Temu. Now let's get into these nails. Now my OG members of the Choc Nation, I know y'all remember these nails. This is one of my favorite sets, and I actually did a nail tutorial on these nails when I first started my channel, and as soon as I was able to be monetized, I got a copyright claim on the music that was on the video. And the video was like 16 minutes long, and as you can see, I had to cut out all that music, which then cut out most of the tutorial, and now it's only 4 minutes long. It's still up on my channel, but I wanted to redo the tutorial for all the new members of the Choc Nation, and also have a complete tutorial of these nails on my channel, because I'm gonna delete that little 4-minute video that doesn't give you a lot of information. And also, when I saw that these nails were back in stock, I had to get me another set. Now, I don't know if they're still going to be in stock by the time y'all see this vlog, but hopefully they will be still in stock. The link to them will definitely be in the description, along with all the other things that I got from Temu. Yes, these nails are from Temu as well. And I just love all the colors in this set and how you can really mix this set up and match it up. So this is the set that I put together. As you can see, all the nails are practically the same. They're just in a different order on each hand. So now let's get into the nail prep. So using the nail file that came with the nails, I'm just going to gently shave down that shine from the top of my natural nails. This step is very important when you are prepping your natural nails for your press-ons, because this step helps your nails to stick better and last longer, which is what we always want our press-on nails to do. So never skip this step. And no, you don't want to do this aggressively. The video is sped up, so it may look like I'm doing it aggressively, but that's because the video is going faster right here. But I'm just gently shaving that shine from the top of my natural nails. If you shave down too much, when you apply your press-ons, it may be painful, or you may shave your nails down and they become thin. So just be careful with how much you are shaving off. Just do it gently. And then I mixed up some acetone and alcohol together and sprayed my nails down to further dehydrate them. And now I'm gonna do an extra step. This is optional, but this also helps to make your press-on nails last long as well. So if you have an electric nail file, put your sanding band on the tip, put your file on a low setting, and just shave the underside of the press-on nails. nails, because the more rough the surface is, your natural nail and the press-on nail, the more they will stick and last long. I don't do that every time, but with this set, I wanted to just to show you guys something optional to help your nails last long. So after we've shaved all the undersides of our press-ons, now it's time to apply the nails. And as you can see, I have a nice bubble of glue on my nail. If you do not apply enough glue, your press-ons are not going to stick well at all. So you want to make sure you have a nice bubble of glue. Line that press-on nail up with your cuticle area, not on your cuticle but just below it. Press down and hold for 30 seconds, and also press down against your side walls, and your nails will come out good every time. You see there's no air bubbles. If you do not apply enough glue, you will definitely have air bubbles under your nails. So like I always say, it's better to over apply the glue than to under apply the glue. You can always clean up the excess glue if it should spill over. And I like to use a brush on nail glue. It's very easy to work with. So if you are a beginner in the press on game, a brush on is definitely beginner friendly. So after you press your nail down, maybe after about 10 seconds, you can start pressing against your side walls, because that's one of the first places that your nails start to lift when they get old, is from the sides. So make sure you're applying pressure against your side walls as well as the center of your nails, so that you have full coverage all over your natural nail. And while I'm finishing up the last nail on this hand, I just want to say thank you guys so much. We are almost at 2,000 subscribers. I can't even believe how my channel is growing, and it would not be growing without you guys. And I'm definitely going to do a giveaway when I hit 2K subscribers. I've been wanting to do a giveaway for quite some time, but I just have to get a P.O. box first, because I can't be putting my address all out there, because the bigger my channel gets, the wider my subscriber fan base is getting, and I have to protect myself. So by the time I hit 2K, we are definitely having a giveaway. I will have everything lined up and ready so that I could give back to you guys. But let's jump back into the tutorial. So what I'm doing right now is applying a base coat. I always apply a base coat before I apply the top coat, because it acts as like a tacky layer for the top coat to stick to, and the top coat will not peel off. So if you apply the top coat without the base coat, there's a chance that your top coat will peel off. So I just apply a nice even layer of base coat on all the nails, and I cure it for 60 seconds. Now we're going to apply our top coat, and we're going to do the exact same thing. I do go a little bit thicker with the top coat, because I do want to give the nails some, you know, extra thickness and nice shine to them, so that they really look like, you know, I got my nails done at the nail shop. We always want our nails to give nail salon, not press on. So applying that base coat and top coat definitely takes the nails up a notch and really gives them that salon quality look and finish. So we are also going to cure that top coat for 60 seconds under a full power nail lamp to really set everything and make sure everything is cured really well. And I did the same exact steps on my other hand. As you can see, I did apply the nails on my right hand first. So now I'm just curing the top coat on my right hand, and then boom, just like that, we got a fresh set, and they are definitely giving nail salon. Look at the colors, look how vibrant the nails are, look how much thicker they look. These nails are on the thin side, but after I applied that base and top coat, it definitely thickened them up and made them look like I got a fresh set. I always do the glue test to make sure that the nails are nice and secure and they're not going to pop off. And as you can see, the nails are not going anywhere. When I applied these nails the first time, they lasted over a week before I took them off myself. They would have lasted longer. So Temu's nail glue is really good. The nails are great quality for the price that you pay for them, which is why I love Temu and their nails. And I am just happy I was able to get my hands on another one of these sets because it is one of my all-time favorite sets, and they will be linked in the description. So now that we got our nails done, it's time to do something to our hair. And from the supplies that you are looking at right now, you can kind of tell what I'm about to do, especially if you watched the intro to this vlog. We are about to make a braided headband. Now there is a couple methods that you can use to make a braided headband, but I am going to be using the glue gun method because it's really simple and quick to use. And y'all already know when it comes to my hair, I am definitely going to do something quick and easy. So I took one of my daughter's white crayons and I marked my headband where I want my braids to start. You have to measure your headband on your head so that you can know where to start gluing the braids. And we are just going to start gluing the braids in between those two lines. And I just bought some pre-braided hair, like the crochet braid hair, and you just basically put a line of glue, push the braid down into the glue. I'm using a cuticle pusher to do that, but whatever works so that you do not burn your fingers on that hot glue. I actually make these for people and I sell them, so I always have leftover hair. That's why I'm using like these 3 different colors, but they blend together so well. This is hair from like 3 different bands that I made that were 3 different colors, and I decided to put them together. And normally I would fill the whole band up, so it'll be like maybe 3 rows of braids, but since I only had enough braids to do 2 rows of braids, I only did 2 rows. And the headband is made to be worn underneath a hat, specifically a beanie style hat or like a turban, or something that fully covers your head that doesn't have any holes or anything in it. So you could not wear this headband with a baseball cap because baseball caps have that opening in the back for you to kind of pull your ponytail through or whatever. So if you try to wear this band with a baseball cap, it's definitely going to show. So make sure you wear this with a hat that fully covers your head, like I said, a turban, a beanie. You could even wear a scarf, and nobody would ever guess that you have a headband of braids up under it. And just like that, the band is done. Now let's put it on. So like I mentioned, my hair is in some individual twist, and I just put on a wig cap to cover my natural hair, and then we're gonna bring that band around the back of our head and then secure the Velcro in the front, and boom, just like that, it's on. And then you just put on whatever hat of your choice. I'm going to be putting on a beanie so you guys can see, and that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching my vlog. As always, make sure you like this video. That helps my channel out so much. If you drop me a comment, that also helps out my channel. And then of course, if you are viewing this video and you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe and join the Choc Nation, and also make sure you hit that notification bell so that you know when the next video is dropping, and be looking forward to my weekly vlogs. I know I was late with this one, but my vlogs are going to be every Sunday, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.